Hey guys, and everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. You're very much welcome. Thank you so much for tuning into the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, like the video, and share as well as usual. So don't forget to hit that like button, okay? That is very much important. Okay guys, on this video, okay, let us just do these two topics. Okay, I'm gonna touch on two stories about Ntando Duma and her neighbor. If you do remember Ntando Duma and her neighbor, the drama between the kids playing in the parking lot, something like that. You remember, right, you guys? So I did videos about stories of Ntando Duma, and also those are Khayelitsha guys who showed three kids and one person dead. Remember the story that I even talked about with guys? Can we just stop the murdering of kids? It's just a lot. After there were 3 kids murdered in Khayelitsha and 1 adult, something like that, which okay, those guys have been arrested. We are gonna touch on that as well, you guys. But firstly, let's talk about Ntando Duma and her neighbor, guys, because the drama which it has come to an end. Finally, you guys, Ntando Duma and neighbor secretly dispute in court, you guys. So at least their drama has come to an end, you guys. We're gonna hear what went down in court. Is I hear the neighbor, though, after that he was evicted from the place, and then Ntando Duma, because the neighbor was renting, Ntando Duma owning the property. So now the neighbor was evicted because Ntando she had to stay, something like that, you guys. So but now the dispute between the actress and influence Ntando Duma and her neighbor has finally come to an end, you guys. This is a story by Uqamatayile. It has now come to an end after they reached an agreement in court. Okay, they reached an agreement. Ntando and her neighbor have both signed a settlement document that prohibits them from engaging in any of harassment. It was just a whole lot of drama. Imagine fighting with kids are playing at a parking lot, and then I just got there and wanting to park, and then and I said, hey, can you move there? Don't play in the parking lot. It is a dangerous place. We just do not know how did this person address those kids, because it got messy. Maybe the way he spoke to the kids, I do not know, you guys. Because for me, but I was like, isn't it the right thing to do? Do not play in the parking lot. You know your life is in danger when you play there, because now people are gonna hit you with their vehicles. But we just do not know waba address kanjani for Ntando Duma and her friend to come angry and starting to fight. Now this matter was taken to court in Tiganjalo because they had protection orders against each other. It was just a whole lot there. Now again, you guys, the actress and her neighbor reached a consensus through the Randburg Magistrate Court on Monday that she and neighbor shall no longer threaten or harass or intimidate one another. In a statement document seen by Uzimoja, the two have been instructed to stay far away from each other. Neither party shall verbally, emotionally, my alarm, you guys, verbally, emotionally, and or physically abuse the other party. Neither party shall use or enlist the help of a third party to commit any act of harassment, intimidation, or abuse. Now, part of the agreement with her neighbor is that her party shall use homophobic belittling or racial slurs towards the other. I don't know what do they mean her party, because these are the road here, guys. I think the English there is just something else, you guys. But anyways, I think they wanted to say neither party shall use homophobic belittling or racial slurs towards the other. After the incident happened, the neighbor was evicted from the property as it was a rental while she owned hers. The settlement added that neither party shall enter the other's premises or cause damage in any way. Both parties shall avoid contacting each other via physical or any other forms on social media. So now, you guys, this is what they have agreed on. Now, in the initial fight started over a children's play area. Ntando and the neighbor had a fallout about children playing unsupervised in an area that could get them hurt. And among those kids was Ntando's child. In court papers sent by Zimoja, the conflict started due to neighbor calling Ntando out after he almost bumped a child with his car. The children were running around the complex at a parking lot unsupervised. The neighbor said that in court papers, adding that he told the children not to play in the parking lot. The children went to report to their parents, who came to us in a roadway. This led to shouting between us, and Ntando Duma's lady verbally abused us. Remember the friend, you guys, that Ntando Duma's friend was something else. She called us "Yo Master Boss." That did you see the clip that time, you guys? She was something else. She even said "Yo Master Boss" and "You be weird," something like that. Both have not been available for comments due to a signed agreement to not to speak to the media. Remember, hey, they both shall not, something like that. So the agreement comes days after Ntando buried her best friend who passed following a short illness. Oh my word! So that best friend of Ntando was saying "Yo Master Boss," she passed. Oh, but the agreement comes. I didn't see this part though, you guys, because I thought I would not get here, but then I'm here. They're talking about the agreement comes days after Ntando buried her best friend who passed following a short illness. A close source revealed that she feels that a weight she feels a weight over her shoulders. It has not been a good few weeks for her due to grief, and being free from this tedious case helps. The friend said right now she just want to focus on being on the healing and stuff. It is a sad thing though that her friend passed away. And in case they are not talking about that one, but Kutiwa and Ntando Duma's friend passed. Something like that. Shame, man. May your soul rest in peace though. This is the story about Ntando Duma and her friend. You guys now they've settled everything in court, and like as you heard, you guys, they shall not abuse each other, they shall stay away from each other. But anyways, the neighbor was evicted anyway because he was renting on Ntando State because she owns a place. Okay, that it is about Ntando Duma and her neighbor, you guys. It is now sorted. Now about those Khayelitsha Papa Shop murders, you guys, a suspect linked to the Khayelitsha Papa Shop shooting have been arrested. Good thing, you guys. Good thing, because guys, now kids are being murdered like nobody's business. What is happening? Abantu babulala ingane ngathi bayahlanya. I do not know. So laba baseKhayelitsha kuthiwa they have been arrested. Western Cape police have confirmed the arrest of 2 suspects, aged 24 and 28, in connection with the murder of 3 children and an adult at the Papa Shop in Khayelitsha. Remember my last video, I told you they were going in a Papa Shop, and then the people came here, you know, unexpected. They started shooting, and those kids were going with a male person. They passed away, including that man. 4 people passed away, you guys. Bafike nje bavele baqala ukudubula, you guys. I was like, why kubulawa ingane kangaka? Bafethu hayi ngeke. Now, sub-spokesperson Brigadier Novella Potelo said the suspects did not only shoot dead 4 people, but they have also been linked to another shooting where 9 people were shot and injured. The victims are still in hospital. 3 children aged 5, 11, and 12, as well as a 30-year-old man, died from the shooting, and 7 others were seriously injured. Now, 2 other individuals were unharmed. With the investigation unfolding, the possibility of more arrests and further charges being pursued cannot be ruled out. Imagine, you guys, yazini ukubulalana kuningi. Imagine that social nguve one, he shot the 2 kids because he couldn't find the father. There were 6 other people that he shot before the 2 kids. Laba nabo, he shot these one dead, and there were other people who were shot like. When I say the devil is in power, because something is happening. Like, honestly speaking, after learning about the shooting, Western Cape Meg of Community Safety Urigen Allen urged the police to explore all possibilities that may help with the arrest of the suspects. We need to ensure that all suspects are swiftly arrested so that a conviction can follow. Life should never be this cheap. Exactly. Exactly, life can never be this cheap before it, akwenzeki. Subs should employ every ounce of their intelligence. I urge anyone with information to make it available to all law enforcement agencies so that justice can be done. Because bafethu no, ngeke abantu babulawa njengathi zimpukani. Like, it's just a whole lot. What's happening, you guys? What is happening? If ever there is people who were shot dead, kuthiwe there were people who were shot before these ones, it's either they were dead or they were injured, they are seriously in hospital. Into ikanjalo nje, you guys. I'm like, njani, what is happening? Why, you guys? It's just a whole lot, man. I do not know. Your thoughts in the comment section, you guys. We don't make this video long. Thank you so much for watching it. Ntando Duma and friend, the matter is now sorted out in court, you guys. They shall stay away from each other and everything else. And these Khayelitsha suspects have been arrested, you guys. 2 of them. Can they just arrest more and more killers? Because it's just, I mean, a lot is happening. May all those people just be arrested. But anyways, your thoughts in the comment section. Do like this video, subscribe, share, you guys, and then we meet again on my next upload. Bye.